Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. I hated having to fumble through my purse to trying to find my house keys every day. So that's why we decided to upgrade to this electronic keypad with the doorknob from Kwikset. I can't tell you how convenient it is to have this installed in our house, especially when I have like a million grocery bags in my hand. Now I don't have to set those bags on the floor just so I can find my keys. All I do is just punch in my code and voila, it automatically unlocks. I love the fact that it has a very slim and sleek design. It doesn't take up a lot of real estate on our door, and I also love the brushed nickel finish to it as well. So it takes 4 AA batteries to operate it, but it also comes with 2 keys for backup, and I really appreciated that the whole keypad lights up, which is just really convenient when we're coming home late at night. And when I'm leaving for the day, all I do is push this Kwikset button at the top and it automatically locks the door for me. It's just so simple and convenient. It's also nice because you can program up to 6 different codes for different members of your household, or you can also just set up a one-time temporary code if you have any kind of technicians or repairmen coming to your house while you're away. I think this is just a very handy door lock. So if you've never experienced the convenience of having a keyless entry door lock, I would highly recommend getting one of these because I personally will never go back to a standard door lock again. But that's just my point of view.